Okay, so now I will show you mm, I'll show you the payment method. So go to Add Center, scroll down and look into the right bottom side, and here you will find the payment settings. Click on it. Mm, so here we can see that here is the option of add payment method. We click here. You have to edit the location and currency, and you have to add the currency of US dollar, USD, and it's saved here in my one. And add payment method, debit to credit card. Okay, click on next. Now give your card number, give the name on your card. It have to be your dual currency card. Give your card number, give your MMYY, and give your CVV number. In your dual currency card, in the back side you will find this CVV number, and in the front side you will find the name on card and card number. Then click on save, and it's done.